Here I am again for another course presentation. Let's start by showing the materials used in the hard drive storage upgrading process. We will need anti-static wrist for safety and grounds, a person to prevent the buildup of static electricity to avoid damage sensitive electronic components. Anti-static mat to protect the electrode discharge during the assembly. A screwdriver to open the chassis. And 4 screws to secure the new hard drive in a bay. The hard disk drive 160 GB to add to our desktop. We also need an extra SATA data cable. And finally, our desktop tower. First, let's ensure the anti-static wrist protection on the wrist and the other hand attached on the computer case. Next, we will allocate the screws that holding the chassis in place. In this case, there is only 2 screws. Now that is open, let's allocate the available bay to install the hard disk drive. This is the main hard disk drive installed, and I will be using this bay for the new hard drive. So now let's allocate the cable connectors. First the power cable SATA and then the SATA data cable. So the power cable will be here and the SATA data cable will be next to it. So first we connect the data SATA cable to the hard drive. Then next we attach to the motherboard. Now that everything is installed, we can close the chassis and turn on the PC. Now the new hard drive is installed. Let's format the new hard drive. Let's first allocate the hard drive. Let's go to Files, PC, this PC, and you can see there is two partitions here. So let's format the first one. Let's initiate the formatting. So now let's press with the right click this PC, management, open the management, computer, allocate the disk management and press it. Then you can see there is some partition here, two of them, so we're gonna delete it, the F, and delete the volume. Yes. Let's format the other one. Format is complete now. Let's go back to my PC, management, disk management, and delete the volume. Now let's activate the new hard drive. All the format is done, so let's initialize it. You can see here is an unallocated drive. So we're going to initiate this process. using provolone. Is next. So next will be assign powering drive letter D. Will be asking for format again. Next, and finish formatting. And the new hard drive is creating totally free. You can see it. Now the new hard drive there with full capacity. So it's all done. Now let's check on BIOS to make sure everything is recognized through your system. I give you a quick summary how you initialize and format your new hard drive. So just go to Files, this PC. In this case you can see there is the new hard drive already successful installed. But if you don't see anything here, you just go to PC again and press it with the right click and go to Manage. From Manage, you will go to the list and Disk Management. So it's over here, press it. From the list, you can see all your hard drives installed on this computer. And yeah, you just choose which one and you press with the right click, and you can format it again or do a different partitions. But if you don't see it, any hard drive or the new hard drive here, sometimes is because your SATA data connectors is not activated. Now, to access to BIOS, just turn off your computer and turn it on again. Continuous, press the F2. We are now in BIOS. So from here we're going to Security, and we can see there is two hard drives there, Samsung and Hitachi. Another way to see more information is going to Save and Exit, and again we can see it there. Samsung and Hitachi is the two hard drives installed on this desk computer. Thank you.